What's up everyone, and welcome back to Tech Curiosity Stream. Today we're diving into AI, actively reshaping our digital world. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a fundamental shift. Get comfortable and hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. We've seen AI write poetry, create images, and compose music, but what if AI could actively work to accomplish your goals? The next wave is about creating systems that don't just answer questions, but achieve your goals. This is more capable, more autonomous, and more agentic AI. And that word, agentic, is key. Agentic AI might sound technical, but the idea is simple. An agent acts on its own to achieve a goal, like a super-intelligent personal assistant. Agentic AI is designed to do that in the digital realm, giving AI autonomy. It's built to act, breaking down complex goals into manageable tasks. It can browse the web, write code, and make decisions to get the job done. This proactive model is the next major revolution in technology. It's the difference between a calculator and an accountant. Agentic AI has the potential to touch every part of our lives. Understanding agentic AI is becoming essential knowledge for everyone. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and what it means for you. So, we've set the stage to understand agentic AI. It acts like a personal assistant, taking goals and running with them. What separates it from chatbots? It's moving from following instructions to understanding intent. Current AI follows direct instructions, but agentic AI operates differently. You give it a goal. For example, instead of multiple instructions, you state your intent. Book a table at a good Italian restaurant with vegetarian options. The agent understands the ultimate goal and figures out the path forward. It understands the mission and adapts its strategy to achieve it. This is the fundamental shift that makes agentic AI so powerful. It's less like an encyclopedia and more like a project manager. It knows how to apply knowledge strategically to get things done. So, how does an AI actually do this? It's a system of interconnected components working together. Think of an agent as having a brain with a few key parts. First, there's the core model, usually a powerful large language model. This provides the raw intelligence and reasoning ability. To become a doer, the agent needs a planning module. Next up is the tool use component. It can interact with the outside world using a set of tools. Finally, every good agent has a memory to maintain context throughout a long and complex task and to learn from its experiences. This combination transforms a simple AI into a truly autonomous agent. Let's see this process in action. Imagine you task an agent to summarize the top 5 AI news stories and email the summary to your team. The agent cycles through thinking, planning, and acting. It understands the request, formulates a strategy, and breaks it down into actions. It uses its web browser to find news, identifies top stories, summarizes them, and emails your team. It's accessing the live internet to gather real-time information. The agent has gone from a vague intent to a completed task through thought, planning, and action. Agentic AI is a proactive problem solver, but let's see how it stacks up against traditional AI. Traditional AI is like a train on a track. Fast, efficient, but only on a fixed route. It follows strict rules and can't handle surprises. If the track ends, it stops. Agentic AI is more like an all-terrain vehicle with GPS. You give it a destination, and it figures out the best way to get there, even if it has to go off-road. Traditional AI can't improvise. It's rigid and needs human intervention when things go wrong. Agentic AI adapts, replans, and keeps moving toward its goal, even when the environment changes. The difference? Traditional AI executes commands, agentic AI reasons, strategizes, and operates independently. It's not just automated, it's autonomous. Traditional AI is a tool. Agentic AI is a partner you can trust to handle the unexpected. This shift from predictable execution to autonomous navigation is a true paradigm shift. The future isn't about following tracks, it's about forging new paths. That's the power of agentic AI. Traditional AI is static, trained on a fixed dataset. Its knowledge is frozen in time. Updating it means retraining from scratch, like reprinting an encyclopedia. Agentic AI is built for change. It can access real-time information, pulling in the latest data from the web. It learns from its own actions, storing outcomes and adjusting strategies through trial and error. Traditional AI repeats mistakes unless reprogrammed. Agentic AI adapts and improves on its own. Imagine managing a stock portfolio. Static AI falls behind, but agentic AI keeps up with market shifts and news. It's the difference between a snapshot and a live video stream. Agentic AI is a continuous adaptive partner. It learns, evolves, and stays current, making it far more useful in a fast-changing world. The future of AI is dynamic, not static. That's what sets Agentic AI apart. Traditional AI is a specialist, great at one thing, useless outside its domain. Think of Deep Blue. Unbeatable at chess but can't translate a sentence. Agentic AI is a generalist. It combines broad reasoning with tool use, tackling a wide range of problems. One agent can plan your vacation, debug code, analyze sales data, and draft legal documents. It's a Swiss Army knife, not a single-purpose tool. Agentic AI orchestrates different skills, acting as a project manager for complex, multi-step goals. We're moving from dozens of narrow AIs to unified, flexible agents. Specialists won't disappear, but generalist agents will become our main way of interacting with AI. It's like having a robot that knows how to use every tool in your garage. That's the revolution Agentic AI brings. Agentic AI isn't just theory, it's already here. Early examples include AI software engineers that build, debug, and deploy apps from scratch. You can create custom agents to automate tasks like daily market research and posting updates to your team. Agents handle web searches, summarize news, and interact with APIs, all while you focus on bigger things. In data analysis, agents parse massive spreadsheets, generate insights, and visualize results in minutes. These tools are like having a data scientist or research assistant on call 24/7. Most current agents work in digital environments, but they're proving the core loop of thinking, planning, and acting. The next step? Connecting digital agents to the physical world. That's when things get really interesting. The possibilities are just beginning to unfold. Agentic AI is already changing how we work. Imagine your workday transformed by Agentic AI. Repetitive admin tasks, scheduling, booking, filing, handled automatically by your personal agent. Just say, schedule a meeting with Sarah and David next week, and it's done. Calendars checked, invites sent, room booked. But it's more than automation. Agents augment your creativity and expertise. Designers get instant mood boards and concept ideas. Lawyers sift through thousands of documents in minutes. Doctors get research-backed treatment suggestions. The AI isn't replacing you. It's your powerful assistant, freeing you to focus on judgment and human connection. Agents can manage your inbox, prep your schedule, and brief you for meetings. The result? Less busy work, more productivity, and more time for what matters. The future is working AI, not just commanding it. Your agent is your proactive partner. Productivity, and work itself, will never be the same. Agentic AI could supercharge scientific discovery. Give it a research goal, like studying a new cancer drug, and it reviews decades of literature in hours. It proposes hypotheses, designs experiments, and in automated labs, even runs them. Agents can analyze massive datasets, spot patterns, and refine their approach in a continuous loop. Scientists become directors, setting goals and interpreting insights, while agents handle the heavy lifting. This could accelerate breakthroughs in medicine, materials, and climate science. Imagine agents discovering new antibiotics or solar materials at unprecedented speed. Autonomous, tireless digital scientists will transform research. The slow pace of discovery becomes a rapid, collaborative process. Agentic AI is poised to become one of humanity's most powerful tools for understanding and shaping our world. Let's bring it back home for a second. What could Agentic AI mean for our personal lives and our living spaces? The smart home of today is still pretty basic. You can tell your speaker to turn on the lights or adjust the thermostat. It's really just a collection of connected devices that you still have to manage individually. An Agentic AI would be the true brain of the home, a central manager that understands your family's patterns, preferences, and goals. It would operate proactively to make your life more comfortable, efficient, and secure, without you even having to ask most of the time. For example, your home agent would know your morning routine. It would see you turn off your alarm on your phone and then proactively start the coffee maker, gradually raise the blinds and set the thermostat to your preferred temperature. It might check the weather in your calendar, see you have an early meeting and that it's raining, and then suggest you leave 15 minutes earlier to account for traffic. It connects all the dots from different data sources, your calendar, the weather, traffic reports, to make intelligent, helpful decisions on your behalf. It's about creating a home environment that truly anticipates your needs. This extends to managing the entire household. Your agent could keep a running inventory of your pantry and fridge. When it notices you're low on milk and eggs, it would automatically add them to your online grocery cart for your approval. It could manage the home's energy consumption, learning when electricity rates are lowest and automatically running the dishwasher or charging your electric vehicle during those off-peak hours to save you money. It could even handle home security, distinguishing between a package delivery, a family member, and a potential intruder, and taking appropriate action for each scenario. Looking even further, these personal agents could become our primary interface for navigating the world. Instead of juggling dozens of apps, you just talk to your agent. My flight to San Francisco got delayed by 3 hours. Can you handle it? The agent would understand the implications. It needs to inform your ride, push back your hotel check-in time, and reschedule your first meeting. It would then execute all those tasks across different platforms without you needing to open a single app. This is the ultimate promise of Agentic AI. A seamless, intelligent layer between you and the complex digital world, simplifying your life so you can focus on what truly matters. So, we've seen the incredible potential. Agents that can supercharge our work, accelerate science, and simplify our lives. The opportunities are massive. The biggest and most obvious benefit is an explosion in efficiency and productivity. Think about all the time we spend on mundane, repetitive tasks, both at work and at home. An agent can take over scheduling, data entry, research, and routine communication. This frees up human brainpower to focus on the things that we are uniquely good at: high-level strategy, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. This isn't just about getting more done in less time, it's about changing the very nature of what we do. This boost in efficiency could have huge economic benefits. Businesses could operate more smoothly, bringing new products and services to market faster. Small businesses and startups could compete with larger corporations by using agents to automate roles that they couldn't afford to hire for. On a global scale, Agentic AI could help tackle some of our biggest challenges, like optimizing supply chains to reduce waste or managing energy grids for maximum efficiency. The potential for creating wealth and improving our quality of life is undeniable. We're talking about a tool that could fundamentally make our systems work better for everyone. But here's where we have to pause and think carefully. This same sort of efficiency has a second, much sharper edge. If an AI agent can do the work of a data analyst, a paralegal, or a customer service representative, what happens to the people currently in those jobs? The risk of significant job displacement is very real, and it's one of the biggest concerns that experts are talking about. While new technologies have always changed the job market, the speed and scale at which Agentic AI could do so is potentially unprecedented. We need to have a serious conversation about how we manage this transition as a society. This means we need to think proactively about education, retraining, and creating new kinds of jobs that work alongside these powerful AI systems. The goal shouldn't be to stop the technology because the benefits are too great to ignore. Instead, the focus has to be on ensuring that the gains from this incredible efficiency are shared broadly, and that we have social safety nets and educational pathways in place to help people adapt. The opportunity is a more productive world, but the risk is leaving a lot of people behind if we don't plan carefully for the massive changes ahead. Let's discuss control and understanding in AI. A major risk is the black box problem. AI reasoning can be so complex that even creators don't understand why a decision was made. This is a massive issue when the stakes are high. There's also the danger of unintended consequences, as AI relentlessly pursues a goal without human common sense. Consider the paperclip maximizer thought experiment. So, how do we keep control? Researchers are developing AI alignment techniques. We need to build in guardrails and safety protocols from the beginning. We have incredible opportunities and serious risks. The path forward must be one of responsible innovation. This involves everyone: policymakers, ethicists, social scientists, and the public. We need safety and transparency in AI research, prioritizing security against misuse. Building robust defenses is a fundamental necessity. Companies must be open about their models, allowing independent audits. Regulation plays a critical role, balancing innovation with safety. Governments need to establish clear guidelines, especially in healthcare, finance, and defense. Regulations should ensure accountability. Stay educated and engaged to shape AI's development positively. The opportunity is a better world. So, that's a wrap on Agentic AI. We've covered a lot of ground today, and honestly, we've only scratched the surface of this incredible topic. We defined Agentic AI, moving beyond simple chatbots to proactive, goal-oriented systems that can think, plan, and act on their own. This shift is a core revolution in AI, a really big deal for the future. We looked at key components that make an agent work: a powerful core model, a planning module, the ability to use tools, and a memory to learn. We explored the possibilities, how agents are already being used, and imagined a future where they transform our work and accelerate discovery. but the risks are significant. The path forward isn't to stop progress but to demand responsible innovation with a focus on safety and transparency. So what does all this mean for you right now? The main takeaway I want you to have from this video is that this isn't just technology for researchers in a lab anymore. Agentic AI is coming, and it's coming fast. It has the potential to be one of the most transformative technologies of our lifetime, on par with the internet or the smartphone. Understanding what it is and how it works is becoming essential digital literacy. Staying curious about this topic is your best tool for navigating the incredible changes that are on the horizon. It will help you see the opportunities as they arise and understand the challenges we need to solve together. The future of agentic AI isn't written yet. We are all active participants in this story. The choices we make, the products we support, and the questions we ask will all help shape how this technology evolves. Will it be used to empower individuals and solve major world problems, or will its risks overshadow its benefits? The answer depends on our collective ability to be informed, engaged, and thoughtful stewards of this powerful new tool. So, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep an eye on this space, because it is going to be one of the most fascinating stories in tech for years to come. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive. I hope this sparked your curiosity and gave you a clearer picture of the agentic revolution that's just beginning. If you found this video helpful and want to stay on top of the biggest trends in tech, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Tech Curiosity Stream and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on what we're exploring next. We're all about breaking down complex tech into something everyone can understand. Thank you so much for hanging out and investing your time with us today. Your curiosity and engagement are what make this community awesome. We've got a lot more exciting topics coming your way, from quantum computing to the future of brain-computer interfaces. It's going to be a fun ride, and I can't wait to explore it all with you. As always, I appreciate you watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious.